So this is our 1325 CO2 machine. This is our J model, and this is our control system. And for the x-axis, we use the ranks, as you can see. And also for the y-axis, we also use the ranks. The standard platform we are using is blade platform. So if you want the honeycomb platform, we also can support you. And this is the whole show of the machine. It's very nice and it's heavy. It's very heavy size. It's very stable. Very beautiful machine.